We're going to look at some beautiful knits. This is Saturday, and we have some beautiful viscose knits. These are all going to be $14.99. We're kind of giving them away, but I love them, and they're so soft. This is a black and gray. It's really beautiful. It's so soft. You'll love how soft it is. It's got beautiful drape. This is a reversible. This is a cotton poly. This is one of the UVs. But it was definitely more expensive. I don't know why, but it was. Maybe because it was reversible. Maybe that's it. But anyway, it's a camo on one side and then a striped on the other side. It'd be so cute for just like a little, I don't know, cover up or little dress, a little summer dress. I think it'd just be adorable for. This is also 100% viscose. This is a little black and milk. Very soft. I mean, just incredible. These prices are so wonderful. I love this print. Love how big the flowers are. This is a black background, and it's got a beautiful kind of a salmon milk color in there. Stretch in both directions, 100% viscose, beautiful. This also 100% viscose, isn't that pretty pop of color there? Flowers going all the way, all over. It's got stretch in both directions. Again, very pretty, very soft. And then we have a stripe, and we love stripes. This is a navy. It's got navy and black. This is 100% cotton. But again, it's a brushed cotton, so it's just so soft. Has stretch in both directions. $14.99. What a deal. Happy Saturday from Silhouette Patterns.